If for any reason you want to go ahead and factory reset your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone, then I'm going to walk you through step by step how to factory reset your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. Click on settings guys, and you want to scroll down to general management, tap on that. Now if you scroll down towards the bottom, you will have an option that says reset. Tap on that. Now from here, you want to scroll down to the bottom. You have a bunch of different settings on the reset, but the last one in the list should be the factory reset. The factory data reset settings will allow you to factory reset your phone to its default settings. This will erase all your data, including files and downloaded apps as well. So all you have to do is just simple tap on factory data reset. You will see all the different things that it will reset for you. If you scroll down, you will see all of your accounts, so you can scroll down and you can find all those apps and accounts that will be deleted. So keep in mind that if this is something that you want to do, then you can go ahead and hit that reset button. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple.